Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's meditation aligns you with inner wisdom, and this guidance has always lived within you, steady, calm, and trustworthy. As this mandala forms, allow yourself to stop seeking answers outside and begin listening within. Bring your attention to the third eye center, the space between your eyebrows. Take a slow inhale and release. Now imagine a bright indigo star glowing there, which is steady, calm, and clear. With each inhale, the star brightens. With each exhale, it expands softly. It sends the wave of intuitive alignment through your mind and body. As I place each dot in this mandala, imagine the star pulsing gently, synchronizing with your truth. Now visualize yourself floating in a vast night sky. There is no gravity, no effort. You are fully supported by the space itself. Stars surround you, each one a symbol of wisdom with an experience and knowing. The indigo star at your third eye begins to move slowly, gently, until it merges completely with your awareness. A deep stillness spreads within you. In the stillness, you are not confused, you are not uncertain, you are fully aligned. Now imagine walking through a long corridor of light. Each step you take opens a door. Door for intuition, door for clarity, and door for trust. Now you are reaching the final door. You are eager to see what it is. When the door opens, you see your higher self, which is calm, grounded, and wise. They look at you with recognition, not judgment, with reassurance, not demand. They place a hand gently on your forehead, right at your third eye. You feel warmth, alignment, and truth. Some kind of a knowing settles into you. You don't need more information. You only need trust. Trust in your perception. Trust in your intuition and trust in your timing. As the mandala continues to unfold, feel this trust anchoring deeper and deeper into your being. Your decision feels clearer. Your direction feels steadier. Your mind feels quiet. You are no longer doubting your inner voice. You are listening, not doubting. Now imagine this indigo light flowing downward from your third eye into your heart and into your body. Mind and heart align. Intuition and action align. You feel whole. Stay here, resting in alignment, resting in trust. There is nothing to force, nothing to prove. You already know. Based on the intuition you have received, your knowing is clearer. You are fully aligned to your inner truth and you trust the process. Nothing is forced and everything is smooth. I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat them out loud or you can repeat mentally. I trust my intuition completely. I trust my intuition completely. My inner wisdom guides me clearly. My inner wisdom guides me clearly. I am aligned with my highest truth. I make decisions with calm and confidence. I make decisions with calm and confidence. My inner guidance is steady and reliable. My inner guidance is steady and reliable. Take one long breath in and exhale softly. If this meditation helped you feel aligned within, share your experience and inspire others.